Hello students, I am Nisha Desai. Today I will teach you the first chapter of Standard 9 Social Science. The name of the chapter is Rise of British Rules in India. In this chapter, we will discuss why Britishers came to India and how they rooted themselves in India. I have prepared notes in points because in standard 9 and 10 you have to write your answers in points. Let's start. Since the ancient period, India has enjoyed an incomparable position in the whole world due to its economic, cultural and religious inheritance. Due to the economic prosperity and cultural inheritance, people from different nations of the world came to India. That question can come in 2 marks. Why people from different nations of the world came to India? There was a lot of demand of below things in the European countries like Indian spices, muslin and silk. Indigo. Muslin is a kind of cloth and silk is also cloth as we know. Trade between India and Europe was carried out through land route and sea route. At the center of these routes was Istanbul or Constantinople in Turkey. After the conquest of Constantinople in 1453 AD by Turkish Muslims, the sea route through Constantinople was closed for the Europeans, since they could not do without the spices. The Europeans felt a need to discover a new sea route. Why did the Europeans feel to discover a new sea route? Because after the conquest of Constantinople in 1453 AD by Turkish Muslims, the sea route through Constantinople was closed for the Europeans, since they could not do without the spices. Full form of AD means Anno Domini. So an era of geographical discoveries began. Now we will learn discovery of sea route to India. With the inspiration, encouragement and economic help from the Portuguese King Prince Henry, some brave people began efforts to discover a new sea route. Many great men tried to discover sea route to India. Bartholomew Diaz, who discovered a Cape of Good Hope. This question is for 1 marks. Who discovered the Cape of Good Hope? Bartholomew Diaz. With the economic help from the King of Spain, Christopher Columbus began his adventure of discovering a new sea route in 1492, which again came to a stop at an island presently known as West Indies. Christopher Columbus again started discovering a sea route of India, but where he stopped at West Indies, at island which is West Indies. Today we know that place at West Indies, situated in the Atlantic Ocean. Columbus, who had believed throughout his life that he had discovered a new sea route to India, Columbus has started discovering the new sea route to India, but he had discovered something else. But throughout his life he believed that he had found or discovered a new sea route to India. He had actually discovered a new land. This new land began to be known as America. Since this clarification was made by Amerigo Vespucci. This clarification made by Amerigo Vespucci. That's why that land is known as America. The Portuguese sailor Vasco da Gama discovered the sea route to India in 1498 AD. He reached Calicut in the western coast of India with the help of the Indian sailor. He was welcomed by King Zamorin. Who welcomed Vasco da Gama? King Zamorin welcomed Vasco da Gama. He was allowed to carry out business there. King Zamorin allowed Vasco da Gama to carry out their business in India. This is considered as an important event in the world, as this opened the door for the Europeans to come to India. Now we will try to understand the whole journey of Vasco da Gama through the map. Vasco da Gama's first voyage to India. Vasco da Gama had started his journey with the help of Portuguese sailor from Portugal to India. That we can see in the map with the red mark, and he reached the port of Calicut. And King Zamorin welcomed Vasco da Gama for the trade. The remaining chapter will be discussed in the next video. Thank you.